If you scanned your signature and inserted it as a picture, you can change its color using Word's built-in image tools. This is the perfect for turning any color signature into black or even a bright color. So first select the image of your signature in the document and then go to the picture format tab that appears at the top of the ribbon. And now click on color in the adjust group on the left. So browse the recolor section. To make it a solid color, you can choose black, white or select any of color overlays to change it to any specific color. If the background is not transparent, then you need to click color, set transparent color and click the white background of your signature image. So this way you can easily change signature color in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.